Yhtiön Sotka.
Yeah, today is the 21st of June 2021. What was the address?
Niemikatu 2.
Yeah, Niemikatu 2 here. It's close to Pyrkintori and Särkänniemi here in Tampere, Finland. This is actually the last original elevator to be filmed out of these towers.
Yeah.
I don't know if the last one with where the storage changed is also original. We'll see it later.
Yeah.
But at least what we know is this original. This is the last one for me to be filmed.
Yeah.
And it has actually 12 floors. Amazing. Now let's see when it was built. In 1973. The serial number is VS3089 and it would turn 50 years old in 2023. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. And now let's try it. It has memory.
Yeah.
Amazing. 12 floors high.
Yeah.
Nice. Amazing sounds for the machine.
Yeah.
I love this one. They're gonna use it, so let's go to 4K just in case.
Yeah.
I heard something there, so
Yeah. Spektaatpaikki pitää meidän pakkaan.
we have to wait for him, but we can watch the 4K show.
Yeah.
Yes. Impress.
Yeah.
Take a dog. But I think they should have built 2 elevators here.
Yeah.
It would be more efficient. What?
Take out, it's okay.
Why? Disturbing.
Yeah.
Why did they use it? But they should use it now.
Yeah.
Very disturbing.
Yeah.
But it's not too late.
Yeah.
I guess they tried the last tower as well, even though the towers changed, but we know, you never know.
Yeah.
It'll still be original.
Yeah.
Okay. Ullakko. Now come on. Please. our basement floor.
Yeah.
Now back to floor K, which is used as the ground floor here.
Yeah.
Katutaso, katuplan,
Yeah.
street level. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can also watch all the other towers here. And also when we get to the last one, if it is the blue
Yeah. That's